I'm testing this adafruit fast vibration sensor, and there it is. And I'm graphing the output, the digital output of this, because whenever it's moved, it should act like a switch. So if I move it, I should get a switching. See here on the computer, I'm graphing the output, and the lines show ground. So right now when I move it, another line, move it, you get another line, move it, you get another line. So these lines are whenever this switch is activated. So whenever it sees vibration, two switches contact with each other. And if I do that, you can detect when something is moved, spun around, and when you spin it quite fast, so you can see a lot of stuff like this. So I'm spinning it quite fast, and you can see that there's a lot of lines now. So some people have put this to LEDs, but I like to see the graphing output. So this is the graphing output of this. It works upside down as well. So if you do this, it still works. It works to the side as well. You can do the same thing. And so if you bump into something, it will give you a spike. This could be used on something that vibrates, like a washing machine, to detect when it stopped or started. Or in this case, we're going to put it inside a cup. I've mounted the sensor inside the cup. This is the fast vibration sensor, this is the medium vibration sensor. And it's secure inside the cup, there's no space for it to wiggle around. So whenever the cup is moved or shook, you'll see some spikes on the computer screen. So if you bring the cup under here, and I do some shaking, see, I should see some lines. Okay, whenever this cup is shaken, you can see some lines. Let's say I put it down, there was a line there. Let's say I pick it up, and nothing happens. So, oh, there's the line. So it's not the greatest. If you want an accelerometer, you could use it. But if you don't want to do the data processing on an accelerometer, you can use this. Also, if I use a pen, and because this is a cup, it can detect stirring. So if I start stirring this, you can actually see some output. There you go. Because what we are doing is bumping into these sensors. Another thing you could do is if I tilt the cup like this, I get some detection as well. So if I tilt it, I get two lines very close to each other, detection. So you can actually detect that if you see two lines, that means the cup was tilted.